So over here, you can see that I have, let's say, for example, if I were to connect to a computer right here, just like this, then I got certain profile right here that I can select from. Let me just go around and dismiss it right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to define a new permission profile with certain permissions allowed. In that case, you can actually go around over here onto the hamburger icon and then go to settings. Then you can go around over here onto permission and click on unlock right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and add out a profile right here. And this is a new permission profile, as you can see. So if I were to actually go around over here, I can go around and say TutorTube profile right here. You can go ahead and name it whatever you want. Let me just expand this, and over here under TutorTube profile, you can actually see that I can go ahead and choose different permissions as I like under that particular profile right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. So now you can see that there are different profiles right here, and you got your own profile with own set of permissions. So now, let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here on the session, and then if I were to go around over here, you can see that under the profile, you got the TutorTube profile right here, along with different things right here, just like this, as you can see. So that is simply how you can go ahead and define out a new permission profile as you like, so that you can use it inside of AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe